Hi, I would like to welcome you in the next tutorial on how to use the WhitePress platform. This video is addressed to all advertisers. Do you know that if you don't have a valuable text for publishing, you can order it from us? Today, I will show you how to do it with just a few clicks. You can order articles prepared by proven copywriters. You can submit comments for the author, and also, after completion, evaluate his work. Okay, let's go. First, from the list on the left, select the My Projects tab and click on Add Project Page button. Come up with the name of the project, preferably one that will suggest what, where, and when you will publish. Paste the web address of the page that you want to promote and select the publication language from the list of available languages. Then, go to the next tab on the list on the left and select My Content. Click Order Article. First, you choose the article type. Paid article may be an advertising or expert character. You will publish it in accordance with the publisher's offer. The article for personal use can be published outside the WhitePress platform, for example, on your own website. From the list, you select the project to which the order relates. Depending on the language of the project, the prices of copywriting might change. In every country we operate in, we select local native copywriters. For example, if you want to order an article in Romanian, you need to choose the project in Romanian. Importantly, before deciding on the quality of an article, think about your expectations of the content you are ordering. Via the WhitePress platform, you can order the basic article that has from 2,000 to 2,500 characters with spaces. The order is carried out within 3 business days. The articles should be on general topics and will be written by the copywriter. The extended article, which differs from the basic one only in its length. It contains from 3,000 to 3,500 characters with spaces. The specialist article has from 3,500 to 5,000 characters with spaces. Delivery time is up to 5 days. It is an article written by an industry journalist on specialized topics. The premium article has from 5,000 to 8,000 characters with spaces. Delivery time is up to 7 days. The article is written by a journalist or an industry expert, has specialized topics requiring thorough research. Its quality enables publication on the premium portal. The price includes stock photos and screenshots. The Premium Plus article differs from the normal premium article in length and has 8,000 or more characters with spaces. In each of the selected articles, you can check the sample publication by simply click on See Example button. After selecting the appropriate item, you complete the order details. Choose the number of items. If you order more than one, you can decide whether the items should have shared or separate photos. Personally, I suggest using unique photos for each article. Then select the subject from the drop-down list and enter the subject. Then you decide on the main photo, and from the drop-down list, you choose whether you want to add it immediately. If so, attach a file in JPEG, GIF, PNG format, or complete it later. Or buy it from the WhitePress database for around €2 net per item. Another mandatory field is comments and recommendations. Here, you should describe as accurately as you can all the guidelines and expectations regarding the ordered text. You can paste links with information sources. Then, describe the place where you want the link to appear in the text. Optionally, you can attach a brief or materials needed to develop the article. Finally, choose the preferred form of contact with the copywriter and verify your phone number and email. Click on Buy and Pay. Order ready. Isn't that easy? Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I invite you to follow the next tutorials. in which I reveal useful tips and show you how to navigate the WhitePress platform.